Today we're going to be restoring this iPhone X. There's a crack alongside the display, just right over here, and the device won't show any signs of life. It does, however, vibrate and charge, and also makes noises. So we do know that the phone is still working. It's safe to assume that this just needs a screen replacement. There's also a weird pattern, which suggests that there's moisture under the screen. Hopefully we're not dealing with a water-damaged phone. We'll start off, like we do with any other repair, by removing the two pentalobe bottom screws. Next, we'll gently pry into the screen and gently lift up the screen. Now we can just pry into the screen. This screen has definitely been fixed before because I'm getting a lot less glue resistance, and we could just open it up like a book. We can see that there's some form of glue on the edges, which is not the worst thing. A lot of people don't replace the water-resistant dust-proof seal, so putting glue there is not practical, but it's better than putting nothing. It will, however, prove pretty tricky to clean. Hopefully we won't have a problem. We'll begin by unscrewing this metal bracket, which holds down all the connectors. Now we'll disconnect our battery to ensure that there's no power flowing through the logic board. Now we can remove our screen, and we'll just put our housing aside for now. This display is an aftermarket screen, and one of our screws just popped out. Now we can gently pry up on our earpiece speaker, and it just comes right off because the screen's already been replaced. Now we can take our replacement part and get a bit of a satisfying peel. It's time to replace our earpiece speaker and install it using our very tiny tri-point screw. It's now time to clean off our excess glue that the former repair technician left behind. Not a very pleasant gift, but we'll make it work. We're going to be using isopropyl alcohol and a spudger and just scraping along the edges to remove any dirt or debris or glue. Our phone is now as clean as it's gonna get. It's time to replace our water-resistant seal. We now have the display connected, and we're turning it on just to make sure everything works before we completely install it. Our phone is on and working as it should, so it's time to complete the install. Screw our bracket back in, remove our water-resistant seal. Now we can install our screen. We'll start off by inserting the top and make our way to the bottom. Get that crunch, and crunch again. Reinstall our two pentalobe bottom screws, and we're done. Our iPhone X is now good to go. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.